You are now watching The Curl Poppy.
Throughout history, the hair industry has had tools that have changed the way we style our hair
forever.
The Denman brush is one of the most universally recognized tools in the curly community, and so many brands have tried to replicate it. But as the great Beyonce Giselle Knowles Carter once said,
I'm one of one. I'm number one. I'm the only one.
What's up, YouTube? ¿Qué lo que? My name is Christian Ramos, and I'm the one, the only, the Curl Poppy. And today, we're going to be talking Denman brush. My name is Christian. I create curly hair content. If you like curly hair content, which I know you do because you clicked on this video, please press subscribe. If you are a returning viewer and subscriber, your was good. The Denman brush is not your typical brush because it's designed for styling naturally curly hair and creating ringlets. It's not a detangling brush, however, it can help smooth the strands as you're styling. As y'all can see, I have a naturally curly hair. Yes, it's natural. This is not a wig, I promise you. But other than using a wide tooth comb in the shower, literally to detangle my hair, I do not use any other tools. I also do not part my hair. I don't section it. I don't do none of that because literally my hair will curl on its own. Now this bad boy retails for $21 and I bought it at Sally Beauty. But with tax and inflation, it came out to $26. Now the question we're going to be answering today is, will I get the same results or better by using the Denman brush or my hand like I always do? Let's find out. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to do the right side with my hand and the left side with the Denman brush. I did go ahead and use the Miche products for this wash day. If you want a discount code, please look in the description for an affiliate link. This mousse has become one of my favorite styling products to use as of late. I've never been a big person to use mousse, but this Miche one, let me just say, baby, y'all already see the curls are forming on their own. I told ya, I literally do not have to do much to my hair so that I can get curl formation. And bam, look, we're literally just making sure we're raking all of the product through each individual strand so that we can look popping out here. I kind of went in with the same method of just applying the product and making sure it's saturated through each strand for the side that we were going to go in with the Denman brush, but I didn't want to try to do too much curl formation because we're going to leave that for the brush. Make sure you get your clips to separate your hair, and then voila, look at this, look at this. Ooh, yes, yes, you can already see I am impressed because it was already giving me the clumpage I wanted. It was giving me great definition, and honestly, listen, I'm here for it. The technique I'm using to make sure I take advantage of all 7 rows of the brush is going from end to end on the brush. You know, usually when you have balloons and you have the string and you take like a knife or a scissor and you just go rakatakata from the balloon all the way to the bottom of the string, it's literally doing the same thing. And I'm already loving the results, and it's not even dry yet, but I am so here for it. Literally here for it. I did also make sure that I went in and scrunched all of those curls together. Not that I needed to, but you know, it's just a habit of nature for me. And now we're on to the second section that I created. Oh, y'all see it got tangled a little bit. But again, this is not a detangling brush. It is literally to give you curl formation. And y'all see, look, ooh, y'all saw that bounce back that it gave when it came out the brush? Make sure you're shingling your curls so that you do not have them all clumped up together. Make sure you're shingling because you want to have, you know, you don't want to look like a rat's nest. You want to have separation in your curls. And don't forget to scrunch at the end. One thing you want to make sure you're doing is combing away from your scalp. You do not, I repeat, you do not want to comb straight down on all of your hair because you're just going to have too much clumpage. And the results that we're going for, we want to make sure that there is enough separation and that we look voluminous. We do not want flat hair. We want to make sure that every single individual ringlet is looking poppin'. But do you see this juicy clumpage and definition that I'm getting? I am literally excited and cannot wait for the dry results. And now that we have both sides styled, let's go ahead and look at the dry results. Okay, so the $1 million question. Well, before we ask the $1 million question, let's look at the results. Remember, this side is going to be the Denman brush. This side is going to be finger detangling and scrunching. So, Denman brush side, finger detangling and scrunching side. Denman brush side, finger detangling and scrunching side. Okay, so normally I would go in with my hair pick and make sure everything is good. But for the purposes of this video, I wanted to just literally just give you the results right after drying and scrunching out the cast. And the $1 million question is, can you guys tell a difference? Do you need this brush? If you value definition over length, then yes, because literally, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I can see it. This side is lifted up a little more, while this side is a little bit more elongated. Yes, the curls look very similar, but on this side, we do have more curl clump. And normally where I would go in with a hair pick and make sure that this isn't flat on the top, the roots, I feel like this side is lifted a little more. It feels like if I had diffused my hair, usually when I diffuse my hair is a little bit more like shrunken up than if I allowed it to air dry. And you can see, do you need this brush? If you want to save time styling your hair, then yes, because this side obviously it took a little longer, me just like raking the product into my hair and just making sure that every single strand was distributed. This side, I did apply the product, not in the same manner, obviously, but literally, I feel like this side took so much less time to do. Do you need this brush? If you have the money and can't nobody tell you how to spend it and where to spend it, then yes, because anything that we buy with our money, right, is gonna be for convenience. And for the convenience of saving time and being able to have the same results or better, depending on if you like definition or length. Listen, can't nobody tell you how to spend your money. Obviously, can you get the same results without getting the brush? Yes. I'm gonna come in closer so that you guys can see like the actual clumpage and the definition of the curls. This is the Denman brush side. It is very similar. And again, if I were to sit here and literally, y'all saw what I did. All I did was put the product in, scrunch. If I were to sit there and individually coil every single curl, I can get the same results. But again, it's all about convenience. You don't want to make wash days any longer than they already are. So I physically am not going to be there every single curl. So if I want definition in all of my curls, the Denman brush is going to give me that. But you can get the same results without it. Listen, y'all already know it takes 3 to 5 business days for your hair to dry. And if you could save some time during wash day, because wash days, again, are an experience. You're gonna be there all day, right? So if you wanna save some time, get the Denman brush. Listen, the results speak for themselves. They are cute, they're clump, they're looking juicy. But that's not to say that this one doesn't look juicy either, but you can see the look. One's more boop, one's more boop. Which one do you guys like the most? Let me know down below in the comments. And listen, I can't knock this brush because the brush really understood the assignment and did what it needed to. But am I gonna continue to use the brush? I'm gonna honestly try it out
on all of my hair, see if I do really enjoy using the product, because again, I'm so used to just and you know, we air dry and then that's it. But I'm not gonna lie, it was quick. It was quick. I will say there are some like that are super clumped and juicy, and again, I don't want to like over manipulate them. Oof, look at that one. That one's juicy. Ooh, it is juicy. Right now I look funny. I feel like one's giving hang time, it's giving inches, and this one's like, we're just here, we're cute. All right, guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at thecurlpapi, because you already know I'll be posting some fleeky pics out here. Let me know down below in the comments your experience with the Denman brush, or if you haven't used it, if you want to use it, let me know. Let's have a conversation. Until next time, guys. Bye.